I'm Steve, Sales Engineer for Logitech Australia. Thank you for joining me in our unboxing series where we're looking at solutions from your desktop all the way to your meeting space. In this video, we're going to look at Tap IP, a new control interface for your Zoom or Teams room. So join me as we unbox it and find out what's inside. First thing you'll see in the box is the included manual, some product information, and if we lift this top cover, you're going to see the Tap IP. Tap IP features a 10.1-inch display that's angled at 14 degrees for comfortable viewing. On the back, we have a Kensington lock for security, and we also have some reset buttons here as well. On the back, you will find a single screw that once undone will remove the one cover, and we'll find a few cable grommets just to ensure that cables are securely fitted into the Tap IP, a spare screw, and another cable grommet here. Tap IP has a 10.1-inch display, has an occupancy sensor on the front to detect when somebody walks into your room, and is a single cable connection for both power and data. Simply plug it in, route the cable through the cable retention, replace the backing and tighten the thumb screw, and it will power up. Now that your Tap IP is powered up, depending on where you're going to install the Tap IP, whether on a table or on a wall, it will automatically orientate the screen accordingly. When powered on for the first time, you're presented with the regional settings. Select the appropriate settings, ensure the correct language is selected, and go next. Read through this EULA agreement and agree. And now it will establish a network connection. It will check for any updates. You may have an update waiting. Please ensure that you do update. And in this page here, it is asking if you'd like to pair the Tap IP to a pre-existing Rally Bar or Roommate. For now, I'm going to skip. And then the Tap IP is going to show the services available to me. The services we have available today are Zoom Rooms, RingCentral, and Tencent. Thank you for joining me while we've gone through an unboxing and also a setup of our solutions that cover everything from your desktop all the way to your meeting space. If you want more information on the products we've talked about in this video or any other videos, please see the links in the description below. Head over to www.logitech.com and check out some more of our great products. And if you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting subscribe and the bell button so you can be notified when more videos come out. Thank you again for joining me. My name's Steve. Till next time.